Hello everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to Subway Surfers. Yep, a game I finally want to play. And look at that. Look at that amazing screen. So I got this idea from my cousin Haley to play the Subway Surfers game. So that's what I'm doing. The music sounds good. Down, 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 down. This is going to be good. It's time to tap to play. This is pretty fun. Literally. You guys should download it. I'm very good at this. I lost my hoverboard. Never mind. New high score 853. Yay. Man, yeah, look at this. I'm very good at this game. Play. This is hilarious. I think you guys should download this. Never mind. I like this game though. My face! So I'm planning on recording this for 10 minutes. I was talking while doing that. Me. I unlocked dark outfit. Damn, I'm a gangster. Hey now, I'm a gangster. I'm gonna do it all night. Yeah, look at me. Boom. Nah. Oh. Boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Oh. Boom. unlocked a key. 1,139, that's good. I'm gonna try to get a score of 5,000 on this video. I might come back to this game in the future. Because this is good. Because unfortunately you can only get this on tablets and phones, but it's amazing. Look at me! Run, run. No. I'm gonna be... Don't. Boom! Boom! Oh. Boom. 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 I'm in the middle of the video. Okay. Is it going well? Okay. Liam, please get up. And I'm dead. Liam, please. I'm in the middle of a video. Where's the bushes? I don't know. You're not having anything. Listen. I'm in the middle of a video. I can't get off the video. I can't just stop a YouTube video. I'm not stopping. It's pretty fun. You lost your what? Oh, well, I think she may have threw it out by accident, maybe. And if she did, then you totally just lost it.
Down the box.
Yeah.
And now I need to get my bushy.
It's pretty fun, guys. Boom.
Okay, that's funny one. Good enough for one. Okay, so we are looking for what's these in there. What's this?
Okay, everyone, we did it.
Yeah, what's the flag?
So yeah, so guys, my brother was in here. I made a Paw Patrol video that my mom made me delete because it had him in it. So yeah, but look at that. Guys, so that's everyone, that's the end. So everyone, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please go to our channel, sub, and if you want me to do this again, I'll do it. And goodbye, everyone.